Huh.
Yeah. Let's make a snowman. Right. There isn't any snow. There isn't any snow that we can do except for this. Ooh, dried up clay. Look at the dried up clay, Ethan.
Iron off the tee has 122 yards left.
Whoa. Let's find some other mixed up clay.
Slightly downwind.
Okay, we can use this.
Johnny is very precise here. There's no backstop behind the hole you can use, but you carry just a little too far, you end up where Stephen Ames was. If you come up a little short, it'll spin all the way back down off the green some 20 yards.
And let's take out a snowman.
You're short. Spin all the way back.
I'm gonna pack it. I made a snowman. I made a snowman. Look at my snowman. Look at my snowman. I made a snowman. I made a blue snowman. And look at my ice cream. And I got a snowman, Daddy. Yay, I got a snowman. Are you still recording? Are you still recording, Daddy? Can we see ourselves?
Wait a minute. You were out the way. I don't know what it is.
Look at my ice cream. Look at my ice cream. I'm going to store mine. Store. His name is Bubba. He likes to shove and shove it. Watch him shovel. Bubba. His name is Bubba. Let's watch him shovel. Bubba. Yep, that's right, Bubba. 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 I'm sitting on the refrigerator. I'm in the car now. Okay, here's your ice cream. Look at what happened to my ice cream. Look at what happened to my ice cream. It's got orange on top. Next. Now let's fix my ice cream back up.
Okay, I'm going.